Yeah. Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Narissa here again. Hope you guys are all doing well. So today I have a really exciting video for you guys, and it's a Louis Vuitton unboxing video. So you guys already know from the title, I'm gonna be talking about the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette accessoires, or however you say it, I don't know. So this bag was just so hard to find. I was so lucky to get it because my mom's SA texted her and was like, we have the multi-pochette in stock right now. Do you want it? And I was like, please get it right now. I went to go and pick it up with my boyfriend. The guy who was serving me, he was so nice. I was just really happy that it was him because the other people in there were looking a bit snooty, if you know what I mean. I just hate it when I go into like designer stores, or like any store for that matter, and like the shopping attendants are just very like giving off that vibe, you know what I mean? I'm gonna bring you guys along with me as well, so you guys can see what it's like, especially during this quarantine season, what it's like to shop outside right now. It was pretty interesting, I would say. I just really hope this video doesn't come off as like bragging or showing off, because I personally do love to watch videos like this, like unboxing videos for designer bags, and I know a lot of other girls do too. I mean, it's not every day that I get to unbox such a beautiful bag. So yeah, if you are interested in this video, just keep on watching, guys.
To attach this one?
No, I haven't seen it yet.
Alright.
Yeah.
Waited for a long time for this one.
So long, it was so
Yeah,
hard to get.
it's very hard to
get. Do you mind if we film? Because yeah, for a vlog.
No, this one hooks up to the bigger one, but it depends which way you carry, because sometimes when you carry this way, this thing has to be in the front so that it's touched in the front. So I'm not sure which way you carry it. It's either the right or the left one. Front.
So many bags.
Yeah, it looks complicated, but it's actually not.
I mean, you're only gonna do it once anyway.
Here you go.
Then what's this for?
That's just a coin purse.
Ooh.
Yeah, you see what I mean? You
Yeah.
use it this side,
Yeah.
yes, in front.
Yeah.
Yes.
So cute. Girl, I want that sweater. Oh my god. So I got two items to show you guys today, and I haven't unboxed anything yet. I do have the receipts here with me, so I'll definitely let you guys know how much everything was. I am sure that LV is increasing their prices for this year, and it was a pretty steep increase. I think it was like 20% or something like that. So I'll be unboxing this little one first. This is actually a coin purse. I've been wanting a new like wallet slash coin purse, whatever, for like a while now, because my old LV wallet, it's a bit too big and clunky for me. So I just wanted one that was smaller and more like streamlined, so it could fit easily into smaller bags. So it just comes out like that. So it comes in its little dust bag as well. So here she is. So this is the Rosalie coin purse. I got it with monogram canvas in rose ballerine. It just has a little coin compartment here at the front with a zip, and it's rose ballerine in there too. So 3 different card compartments, and I guess you can just put cards in here as well. So how much was this? This was 1,600 ringgit. I'm so excited to use this. It's so adorable. If you are looking for a compact wallet, I would really recommend this one. So now on to the star of the show. I'm so excited. This opens like that. This is the larger pochette. This is the smaller one. And then we have the strap. Oh, we also have the little coin purse as well. So yeah, they each come with their individual dust bags, which is so good. It does come in a khaki color as well, but I personally love the pink one so much more. So I've just assembled it, and this is what she looks like. Yeah, I'm just obsessed with it, guys. It's so cute. It goes perfectly with my new wallet. Oh, they're so cute together. That's the little one. So it does have a little pocket on the inside of the larger one, which is great. I'll probably put my keys in this little pouch. You can actually also just take the little one out and wear it as like a mini little shoulder bag. That's so cute as well. I feel like this bag is so versatile. I just think it's the perfect everyday bag with all the little compartments. So if you are interested in the price, this bag was 8,300 ringgit. So yeah, if you are interested in it, just, I don't know, maybe pop down to your local LV and see if they have any in stock now. Maybe they've restocked by now. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in more videos from me. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.